Hey everyone, we're coming to you from UpKeep's headquarters. I'm Rachel, UpKeep's Associate Product Manager.
What's up? I'm Ryan. I'm the CEO and founder.
So we're here to tell you about our product updates for the week. So on web, we have the ability to export, batch export PDFs. So from your work order list view, if you go ahead and select multiple work orders, you'll now see the option to export in batches with or without update notes. You also have the ability to customize the headers that are included on your PDF export of your entire work order list. So if you use that customize button for the columns that appear while on the app, that will also be applied to your PDFs as well. And then we also have the ability to now save the invoices that you've made on UpKeep as a file to the respective work orders and just to your account in general for future reference, and you can attach to any work orders as needed.
And we've got this massive, huge release that I'm super excited about, floor plans. So if you go into your locations within UpKeep, you can go into another one of the tabs called floor plans. There you'll be able to upload all of your floor plans. You'll be able to drop pins, and you can either have a pin for your assets, so you can figure out, hey, where's my equipment within the overall property? You can also add in custom mapping points, whether that's a gate code for a certain area within the property or location. And you could visualize it all on one single floor plan. It's really awesome. Check it out today. It's a really, really huge new feature for us that we're super proud of.
Yes, it is awesome. So definitely check it out. And then for our mobile users, we now also have bookmarking for both Android and iOS. And iOS also has the ability to filter meters from the app. So make sure to log into your web app, your mobile apps, and check out our newest updates.
Awesome.
Yes. Thanks, guys.